Hello, welcome back to the Daily Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check admins and accounts that have access to your page on Facebook. Now, if you want to know all of the accounts other than your account that can access your Facebook page, here's how to check that out. Now, the first thing is to come to your Facebook and then log in, and then you have to switch to the exact page that you want to check. Now I'm already on the page, and the next thing to do from here is to click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. You see that settings icon just before the search icon and before the messaging icon to the right. So click on the settings icon, and then that is going to take you to settings and privacy section of your account. So from here, just scroll down past preferences and then audience and visibility. On the audience and visibility section, you'd want to check out page setup right there. On the page setup section, you are going to see page access with a footnote that says invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. So go ahead and click on that. And right here you can see the accounts other than you that have access to that page. So that's basically how to check out page managers and Facebook accounts that can access your page. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.